I just picked up, got another video for you guys. I just picked up a TLX a-spec. I already attempted to switch out the reverse lights. For the reverse lights, I left the halogen in this one, and I put the new LED in this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have somebody else in the car, so they're going to put the car in reverse, and I'm gonna show you guys what the difference is. And I'm gonna show you guys a video of it at night when both of them are switched over. Alright, so this is in reverse. This is in reverse with the halogen reverse light. Okay. And then this is the LED reverse light. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it looked like at night. So basically what I'm going to do is, so you pop the trunk from inside of the car, and then you'll see these little clips. There'll be clips all around here. They look like this. So I had to take out one clip. I took out 1, 2, 3 clips, and then I took out the 4th clip that was here. And they're the regular Honda clips that you just put something in and just pop them out. They just pop out. Let me see if I can show you. Go under it, and then boom, takes it out. I put a link down in the video description for the for this tool. It's probably like $5-10 bucks, but I'll put a link down in case you guys are interested. So then you just pull down the cover like so, and then this is the reverse light here. You just turn it, okay, and it comes right out, just like that. So then what I do is I take a cloth, because I don't want to dirty the bulb. If you dirty it, it'll never work again. So I take the new bulb, the LED bulb, put a link down in the video description to these LED bulbs, put it in the socket. Okay, now you just put it in reverse. See how it comes on? That's how you check it in reverse. Okay, you can turn it off. If it doesn't light up in reverse, then you just take the bulb out and you flip it and then put it back in the socket, and it should work. So then you just take the bulb like so, put it back in the socket, and just lock it in place, and that's it. The other side is the same thing. The socket for the other side is right here. I already did this one already. I already put this one in. Before I upload this video, I will be making a video showing how it looks at night. That'll be the video, okay? And it's just that simple for the reverse lights to replace them. And then you just put the clips back in one at a time, super easy. And then that's it. So then I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Hold on. So now they're in reverse. This is what they look like, but I'm gonna have a night video for you guys showing you guys exactly what they look like. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. The link in the description will be down on the bottom for everything. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. I have the video for you guys showing you guys the reverse lights. This is what the reverse lights look like in reverse after replacing them. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. And to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.